So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn a live photo to a video with audio. Now first of all, make sure when you click some picture using camera, you have enabled this option of live right there. You can see it's the live option right there. Simply enable it. Now go to the photos app that saves your picture. Now for example, this is the live photo that I have. Now you'll notice that a live option on the top left corner. Click on there and here you'll see multiple options that you can use for as the live video. And now if you want to convert it to a video, just simply press and hold the video, and you'll notice that the video will start playing as with the audio as video. Now just simply hit edit and you'll notice when you go to this live option, you'll notice that this is a particular video that you can trim and save. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.